We just arrived to KLCC. We are going for an event hosted by Chanel. Lovely. Anna. So exciting. We're almost there. Hello.
Thank you for joining us today again to celebrate Mother's Day. And to celebrate Mother's Day, let's talk about the iconic Chanel jacket and how it's meant to be worn through generations and passed down from mother to daughter, granddaughter, and it can be worn in so many different ways. So with the iconic Chanel jacket, I'm pretty sure you know about the secrets, but let's just refresh again on our secrets. And some of the secrets you can see. Also, the thing about the iconic Chanel jacket is there is no one jacket that is iconic. We always have a little black jacket or a little iconic jacket every collection. But every collection is a little bit different. So for this spring summer collection, it is in navy instead of black. Gabrielle Chanel used to say navy is the new black. So instead of a black, sometimes you can wear navy as well, and it works out to be as classic and easy to mix and match. So with the iconic jacket, how we identify it is, first of all, the hand-braided detailing by our ateliers. We only have 2 ateliers in Paris that do all the braiding for every collection. And it's all done by hand. That we just do the braiding only. So every collection we will see different braiding, different materials, but they're the ones who do it with different colors and things as well. And apart from that, it's also our buttons. So our buttons are very special. They are we call it bijou buttons. Bijou means jewelry, right? Collections within 10 years, we can still order the piece for you. If in the event that we don't have it, then we have to change all the buttons to a different similar style. About the buttons, why we call it bijou is because they're made by our craftsmanship called Deru, who actually create our earrings and costume jewelry. So it's all done by hand, and this one is a Leo button. The creations have to be beautiful inside as well as outside. And when we talk about the linings, we also talk about the multi-panel linings. Multi-panel, like you see over here, paneling, the silk pieces, like we said, Chanel jacket is all meant to be altered to fit you perfectly. Like we said, okay lah, we, especially Asian, we are a bit more petite. We always need to do some minor alteration to make it fit you perfectly. Always, it's usually the sleeves, or sometimes it's a bit tighter here, we can always let out. So usually our jacket inside, all these panels, we actually have enough fabric to actually let out 2 sizes for each jacket, maximum 2 sizes, and also take in as many. But we usually take in 1 to 2 sizes, and it's possible. So we also have clients who have bought Chanel jackets from before, then after maybe giving birth, then she put on weight, then you can always let out for her. And then after that, maybe after having 2-3 kids, then I decide, okay, close shop factory, and then she lose weight, and then we can also take that down. That's why a Chanel jacket is a investment piece. The chains, like you see in all of our jackets, is to lay the jacket down to have a perfect fall fit. And last but not least is the tweed. It's not Chanel jacket if it's not tweed, right? So for Chanel, we have 3 types of tweed. We have plain tweed, we have fantasy tweed. This would be a fantasy tweed. And then we have massage tweed. So plain tweed will be one color, maybe a black one. Plain, maybe not too much textured. A fantasy tweed is something like this. It's a mix of 3 or more different types of weaving. So this one you can see there's already black, there's navy, then you have another type of black here. So this is fantasy. For massage, it's all hand woven, and usually it's using the most finest material, like the one you tried just now. It's made of silk. So all those have to be hand woven because the material is so delicate that it cannot go through a machine. It cannot be machine woven. If it's machine woven, it might tear.
These are all the clothes that they have prepared. And look at this. Surprise! They surprised me with a heart bag. And I'm going to try it out. I need to get a simpler top that they have prepared so I can try the rest of the outfit. This is very formal. Look, number 2. The inside here. I like this really big. I love this really big collar. And then the jacket. It's a navy blue. So pretty! Oh my gosh! Wow! Yes, thanks for making me look dinner. Such a fun event today, and we of course got some stuff that I'll show you guys I guess soon. And now we are having our dinner. This is the little Penang cafe. They have some of the best noodles.